Hi everyone, Vicente here. I'm really excited to show this new feature for you guys. We've been working on it for quite a while. So anyways, let's get into it. So we're here on our AI PDF GPT, and I have the Chrome extension with the side panel open on the side. If you haven't downloaded the Chrome extension, I highly recommend it. But anyways, if you have it or not, it will work. So let me just show you this sample document here. I'm going to open here. And yep, you can see it's like a report, and it's pretty long. It's got 179 pages. And in the past, a summary of a document like this was kind of problematic for us, but now we have a good solution. So let me show you. So I'm going to close this and then go and copy to ChatGPT. We're going to get this link here, and I'm going to ask for please summarize in bullet points. And pass the link, and let's hit it. So we're hitting the GPT now and getting an answer, and you're going to see that it's already saying that the summaries for the first 24 pages of it's a long document. There's so much we can return in one time, but now as it gets to the end of it, we're going to be able to do something else. So we got the summary of the first 24 pages, but then it's saying, hey, it only covers the initial part. Would you like to continue summarizing? So I'm going to go here and say, continue summary. And you should probably could just say continue, but I like to be a little bit more explicit here. And I'm going to ask for that. And then it's going to pick up from where it left off. So you see here, let's take a look. Yes, from pages 25 to 52, and then continuing the bullet point format. And yeah, so going this way, you can cover the whole document in just a few requests here, and you have the complete summary. So I think we're really happy to have this now. But let me go and then say you can go. There's more summary, but we're not going to do that now. I'm going to show you something else that you can also do. So you can say, please summarize in bullet points from pages 40 to, well, let's ask from pages 80 to 90. So this is the other thing you can do. So you can specify a range that you want the summary to be constrained to. So you can see the summary from pages 80 to 90, the document highlight these key aspects, right? So now you have a summary that is for a particular range. Yeah, so we're really excited about this. I know many of you have been waiting and asking for this feature for the longest time. So Kartik and I are really happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for your patience, and let us know what you think in the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.